How to fix unable to connect accounts in Epic Game. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection over here. Also, if your cellular data if your Wi-Fi is not working, then you can choose a cellular data as well for faster processing. Then next, what you can do is just make sure that you have an updated version of the Epic Games application. Now, after that, what you can do is just make a long press on the application and tap on App Info. Then just scroll down and you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and you'll be able to clear data and your cache if required. Then what you need to do is tap on App Permission and make sure that you've toggled on all the permissions and the options that are required for the applications. And then what you can do is tap on your power button and then tap on reboot and restart your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.